Hey, I thought I'd take some time to answer some INFP questions. So, someone asked, should I balance out my life and the different aspects like family, work, relationship, friends, and money? So, I know as INFPs, a lot of us really focus on balance. Like, that's one of the key words to influence the INFP personality type, coming from Dr. Dario Nardi and Linda Barron's research, and also my own personal experience. Like, I always think about balance. That's why I like playing a druid, liked a priest in World of Warcraft as well, because there's like the balance of light and dark, or nature and attacking and healing and all sorts of fun stuff. But anyway, so I think you're going to want to pursue balance no matter what, but it's also important to question your assumption. It's like, why is balance important? What are you actually attempting to gain from always seeking balance? And is it always appropriate or important to have balance or to be in balance? One is like a pendulum. Oh, I do have it. I don't even know what I have on my person. That's very intuitive of me. So I have a pendulum, and the pendulum swings one way or the other. Okay. And because of that, like, there's the middle point, but there's also both sides of it. Yeah. And so if you go too far to one side, then you kind of naturally correct yourself to the other way. And that happens faster through awareness. So I know personally for me, like when I work too much and I'm not with my family as much as I'd want, then I start to get stressed out. I start to feel uncomfortable, and I started getting like glimpses and images of family and of playing or of even like just relaxing and stuff like that. And so that's a sign that, okay, I've gone too far this way. So I just recorrect. Like, I don't take it as I failed anything. I take it as, okay, it's time to rebalance myself and check my intentions and see, like, is the direction that I'm taking my life right now aligned with where I want to go? Yes or no? And the quicker you can have that awareness, the quicker you can course correct. And it's not always intentional that you do course correct, but you at least have the option. You have the choice of doing it. And another way I like to think about it is like skill points in a game, like a role-playing game or something like that. Like, if you put 10 points into plus, bonuses to healing, then that heal is going to do a lot, right? But then you don't have points in agility or dexterity or defense or spirit, mana regen, or anything like that. And so it's like you can be overly focused on one thing, right? But you do want to have some sort of balance. So take some of those points and put them in other places that are going to serve you better. So that's another way of looking at it. And again, it comes back to just having awareness and checking in with the magic question, what do I want? What do you actually want in your life? If your actions are helping you get towards there, then good. Do it for a while, then take some time to reassess. There have been plenty of moments in my life where I've played too many games for too long and stopped studying and kind of forgot myself. And so I just eventually had that awareness of like, oh, I don't like this. And it's not like it's too late to fix. Right? There are learnings and lessons that came from going off to one side for so long. And so I can take those lessons, you can take those lessons and reincorporate them and bring them back and say, okay, well, now that I'm realigning myself or rebalancing myself or refocusing on the things that I want, what lessons were helpful? What XP, experience, and skills and stats that I gain that's going to help me in this next pursuit? And I think we only get that through being imbalanced, through going too far in one direction and realizing that we don't like that, or we liked it a little bit too much and we're missing out on certain other things. I'll work really hard, a lot. I'll be really focused on extroverted thinking, commander stuff. And then I will be like, okay, I need to take a break. I need to like pursue some hobbies and other fun stuff more. And so I inevitably re-download League of Legends Wild Rift on my phone, and then I just go ham and play that game way too much. And then eventually I'm like, I haven't been working on my business and stuff, which is also important to me. And then I delete the game. And then I go back to focusing on business. I'm like, I like this. And I do it for a little bit too long. And then I reinstall the game. It's just back and forth. And like, I don't see it as a problem. I see it as a cycle. And there are probably other ways of fulfilling those desires in a healthier, balanced way. But it's not like I'm ruining my life because of it. And if you are ruining your life because of imbalance, then that might be a sign that it's time to take different actions so that you get more of what you want. Hope it helps.